welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I am super excited because I have a trunk club and this is probably the best trunk I've ever received. There's really not much in this trunk that I would say I would never wear. And as a matter of fact, when I got the trunk, I only declined 3 items and they weren't even horrible, the items I declined. I just knew I wouldn't be able to use them. And I'll get more into detail in a bit. So Trunk Club, in case you don't know, is a styling service by Nordstrom. If you do not have a credit card or their debit card by Nordstrom, they will charge you $25 per box. Once you get that box, if you decide to keep anything, that $25 will come off of anything that you choose to keep. If you don't choose anything and you want to send it back, you just pack it all up, schedule FedEx to come to your doorstep or drop it off if you prefer. But for me, it's quite easy. Put everything back in the box, put it on my doorstep, call FedEx or schedule through the app FedEx to come the next day and they pick up my trunk. And I have the credit card, so they're sending me these every month and there's absolutely no charge for me to get a box of clothes. And if there's anything I like, I'll keep. And if not, no, I'm out, no money, and I send it back. Give me a minute, I'm going to do a try on and we'll see what I am going to keep. So give me a minute. Okay, up first might look something a little familiar to some of you. It's the Leopard cardigan that I purchased on my own and then ended up returning. So this is now the second time I'm getting this cardigan and I'm convinced it was meant to be. So this cardigan, let's see if I can find it, is the leopard print linen blend cardigan by Halogen and it's still $41.40. I'll look before I check out to see if it went on sale further. It is, let's see, let me see what the material is, I forget already. 55% linen, 45% rayon, hand wash cold, okay? I returned this because it is super, super thin. But now that I'm getting it a second time and so many of you commented on how nice it is, I think I'm gonna keep it. I think it was meant to be to come to me. So the cardigan I'm keeping. The next thing I have on is the Snap Placket Henley t-shirt by Caslon, size extra small for $29. This is cute. I'm gonna take my cardigan off so you can actually see what the t-shirt looks like. I have nothing against this t-shirt. It might be a little bit see-through. I'll have to look back at the footage to see how it is. It has the snaps here in front. I have them snapped all the way up, but you can certainly, they're working. You can certainly unsnap them if you would like, okay? It is, I got the front tuck going on, but it is a straight bottom, okay? It's nice. You know, the only thing I have to say is it's thin. And I definitely know I want to keep the cardigan. I'm not so sure I need to have this, but it is cute and I do like it. And I would probably, I'll look back at the footage to see how see-through it is, but I probably would recommend this in other trunks, all right? Next thing, something they stuck in my trunk and I have actually on my wish list, but I am not buying these. These are the Insider Crops Step Fray Hen jeans by Mother, all right? In color, they're calling it just blue. Mother. Why do I like Mother so much? Excuse me. These are perfect. They come right below my belly button or right at my belly button. So I would say it's probably about an 8.5 inch rise would be my guess. And, you know, typical 5-pocket styling. It has this kick crop step hem, so it's kind of, it comes above my ankle and then it flares out. I don't know if you can see that or not. They fit very comfortable, they're very stretchy. This is my normal size 25, which I have to say fits snug, but I would not want to size up because they are stretchy and they would, you know, stretch out. Love them. I don't have a bad thing to say about them other than I don't like the $218 price tag. So these are going back. I think I do want maybe for my birthday or something to get a pair of Mother jeans, but if I do get a pair of Mother jeans, I'm not going to get a style that will go out of style so quickly. I'll just get a plain, either boot cut because that's something I enjoy, or I'll get like a straight leg. I'm not going to get a cropped kick step hem type of jean, okay? Great jean, love them to death, but $218 is a little bit out of my budget. Give me a minute and I'll show you the next outfit. Okay, Next up, I kept the same mother jeans on that I like a lot, and then I ended up putting on this, let's see, Free People top. It's called the Tea Time Top in black for $58.80 by Free People. So that is not a bad price for a Free People top. We all know Free People's pretty expensive. It has the wide band balloon sleeve, all right? It's all lace. It is lined here in the front, but not lined on the sleeves. It is very form-fitting and very tight, and it is cropped. But again, I'm short, so I'm fine as I throw around this purse I also got. So I do like this. One thing is, it's a party in the back, so hold on, give me a minute and let me show you the back. Okay, so this is pretty, open and kind of sexy. I think I kind of like this one too. So this is a definite possibility. Again, it was $58.80. Along with that, they sent me this purse. So originally, I had actually have a bunch of crossbodies on my thing, and they showed me a black tote, and I don't want a black tote. I was looking for a brown crossbody for the fall. So in my prior life, I used to carry large purses because I would go out for the full day. I'd be going to work and I had to carry things. Now that I'm home, the only time I go out is to go food shopping or out to dinner and maybe a day of errands or shopping. So I thought a crossbody might actually be better and lighten up my load. So I declined the tote. I couldn't swap it out for anything other than another tote. And I said I could use a brown crossbody for fall. And they put this in, and this is cute. This is actually leather. It's the Phoebe leather crossbody in brown for $99. It's by Nordstrom is the name brand, and I kind of like it. It's cute. It has, let's see if I can come closer to you to see, all right? It has two pockets here where you can put your cell phone here, right? And it has a zipper on the side, all right? And then the inside, it has, again, a double pocket over here. All right, I don't know if you can see that. And then on this side, it has the zipper, and I can take the foam out so you can see. All right, and it's a pretty decent size too. I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is kind of cute. I kind of like this, and I'm thinking about it. All right, I don't know about $100. You guys let me know. $100 for a leather crossbody. I mean, I guess it's an okay price. I mean, I'm not sure if it's a great price, but it's an okay price. But it's nice. I like it a lot. So let me know your thoughts on this, and let me know your thoughts on this top. Let me know your thoughts on the cardigan. I know the jeans are a definite no. I just can't justify $218 jeans, especially for such a trendy style. But I do like them, and I do like the button-down top, but I don't think that is like a must for me. I have to at some point say, stop, Carolyn, you can't go too crazy. All right, give me a minute and I'll throw on the next item. Okay, I can't believe I'm showing you this, and I may edit this out and decide not to. So when I saw this in the preview, I said, oh, cutouts are in, and they're in style now. And yes, she was sewing skin on the thing, but I said, I'm shorter, maybe it can work. Maybe they would show just a little, a few little cutouts. You can totally see my bra on this. I'm not taking anything, my bra off for this. And these barely just cover my breasts to begin with. So this is way too much skin for me. This is the Crisscross long sleeve bodysuit by Naked Wardrobe. I got my true size, an extra small, and it's in black, and it's $48. And this is just too small for me too anyway. The arms are super tight, but yet long. And honestly, I don't know who this would work for, but the lengthwise I kind of felt is a little short too. And remember, I'm only 5'2". So this whole area is exposed. You can see my bra up here. I'm poking out everywhere else, down here. This is way too revealing, and I may edit this out of the video. That's how revealing it is. Here's the back of it, all right? And I cannot wait to take this off. Give me a minute. Okay, now I've been looking for a black tank dress, as many of you know. And obviously I'm gonna need to size up in black tank dresses because this is also skin tight on me. This is by Open Edit, and everything I tried in Open Edit, I needed to size up. I could not do my true size for Open Edit, or what I believe is my true size. The scoop neck midi dress by Open Edit in black, $49. Not a bad price. But even if this did fit, I would not keep it. This slit is way too high for my comfort zone. I am fine with anything hitting my fingertips. Once you get past that, I'm not comfortable. So if this slit came down just another couple inches, which it might in the size up, but then the length would be kind of weird on me. So this is going to be a no. I'd be nice, I don't have any shapewear on. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, so it has a big scoop neck, and it's not exactly bra friendly because of that deep scoop neck. And like I said, it's pretty tight, but it's very spandexy too. That's another thing. There's a lot of stretch to it. I imagine it's supposed to be like a bodycon dress, but I am not comfortable in this at all. Okay, so this is going back, but I'm glad I gave it a try, and it was definitely something that is my style. It just does not fit and suit me well. Okay, one more thing to actually try on and show you, and I'll talk through the rest. Okay, the last thing I have on, the tank is my own, so it's the Sweaty Betty leggings that I have on, the all-day crop leggings. Now, the last Sweaty Betties I got from Nordstrom, I couldn't even get them up over my calves. They were so tight and extra small. So this time when she brought it through, I said, you know what? Let me exchange the size, swapped out the size, swapped for small. These are only $68, which if you know Sweaty Betty is a really decent price. Usually their leggings are $100, even more. They're crop style, which is exactly what I like. Black, I was really hopeful for these, but these are freaking super thin, and there's absolutely no compression on them. So I am not going to be keeping these. I wouldn't feel comfortable. I feel like I would tear them in the gym. That's how thin they are. And again, it's a lot of room here in the waist. There's like no compression really whatsoever. So these are going to be a no. They're very soft, and if you're looking for something to like hang around your house in during the day, I think these are good. But if you're looking to work out and not want to jiggle while you're doing it, these are not for you. So these are going back. All right, give me a minute and let me show you the last two items, because I am not going to unpackage and try them on. Okay, she in my preview gave me some Nike running shoes, and actually I am in desperate need of running shoes right now. My shoes for the gym have holes in them, the treads are worn out. Running shoes do not spark joy for me, so I tend to not buy them until I absolutely have to, and I typically buy HOKAs. I know a lot of people don't like HOKAs, and then you either love them or hate them type of thing. They worked great for my wide, flat feet, and what happened was she gave me Nikes in the preview, and I said, I can't wear Nikes. My feet are just too wide. I can do New Balance or HOKA. And I never in a million years knew that Nordstrom carries HOKA, because this is exactly what I buy. The one thing I don't like about these, and she would never know it, is the lighter color. So the gym that I go to, it uses a treadmill, and we do the water rower. And when you put the straps on your shoes for the water rower, it leaves a big black mark, which makes the shoes look gross and disgusting in no time. So I'm not fond of these because of the light color. But I'm not keeping these mainly not because of the light color, but because I have a running store that I typically buy my HOKAs at, and he usually gives me a 15% discount, and personally I'd also rather just give the local businessman money than Nordstrom money. These are $150. They are HOKA. Let's see if I can find, and $150 is typically the going HOKA rate. And they're the Bondi 7 running shoe in gray, the HOKA 1-1, okay? And they got like a peach or orange color laces, orange treadmill on the bottom. So this would be great because the gym I go to is Orange Theory Fitness, the orange. But no, I am not gonna spend $150 on these because I'd rather give this money to my local business owner. So I will be seeing him this weekend because my shoes are just shot, all right? Give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. The next item I'm not even taking out of the bag, all right? I had told her, so this is my own fault. I had told her and I said, you know, I could use a long yellow cardigan, all right? So I said, I know that's a tall order, but if you have one, send it along, all right? So this is what she sent me along, and there's a reason why I'm gonna not take it out of the bag, because it's $395. This is the oversized cotton cardigan by Redone in an extra small, and it's in yellow. You know what? It sounds wonderful. 100% cotton, yellow. it will probably go with the thing I'm looking for, but for $395, I'm not even taking it out of this bag. I don't think it's fair for me to try it on, knowing I have absolutely no intention of keeping this. So it does seem to have the buttons down the front that are plastic, but it's like a wooden tortoiseshell type of look. All right, it has the V-neck that it comes to, and it looks like a typical shaker knit, if anybody is interested in, and it's called the 90s Cardigan by Redone. All right, give me a minute, I'm gonna do a trunk wrap up. Okay, I'm doing my wrap up my trunk. I hope I kept you entertained, and hopefully I didn't scar anyone for life after seeing that bodysuit on me. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. You know, I saw it in the preview and I said, oh, cool cutouts, and yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. So sorry about that. So I think overall this is a pretty good trunk. You know, like I said, I accepted the bodysuit. I thought, ooh, cool, a cutout top. I wasn't really thinking it would be that much cutout. So let me show you the jeans and the step hem on them. I really love them, but yeah, for this amount, I would not spend this kind of money, because I noticed when I was looking back at the footage that I didn't show you the bottom on them. So they're crop and they're like a kick flare, and then they also have the cutoff and it's a step hem. I don't know if you can see that. Very cute, like them a lot. Will I wear this style? Absolutely, but I'm not spending $218 on jeans right now. I might look for ones for either on Poshmark or maybe for my birthday or something like that, get a pair on sale and treat myself, because I really do like mother jeans, but yeah, not for $218. Like I said, mentioned the sneakers, they're going back because I'd rather buy local. Bodysuit, no question about it. The $395 cardigan, yeah, that's going back, no question about that. The midi dress was too tight. It's also kind of an end of season, although it was a good price, $49, that's going back. I look back at the footage and that snap Placket t-shirt was pretty thin and see-through, so for that, I don't need that. That was only $29. And the Sweaty Betty leggings I'm going to return too, because it just didn't have enough compression. The things I'm thinking about, all right, this Free People top with the big open back, I don't know, I'm thinking about it. I do like it. I'm trying to debate whether or not I'll be sad if I return it. This one was, let's see, $58.80, so not a bad price. I thought it was cute. The bag, I don't know. What are your thoughts on this? This is kind of cute. It fits my needs. You know, I'm thinking about putting my stuff in here and seeing how bulky it is once I do put my stuff in. Because right now it's nice and flat, but maybe look lumpy and bumpy once I put my wallet and everything else in. I'm not sure. But this is kind of something like that I had in mind, and it's $100. Let me know your thoughts on this. And this is my second time with the cardigan, so I'm convinced it was meant to be. This cardigan was meant to be in my closet, so I will definitely keep this cardigan. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Again, I hope I didn't shock you too much in trying that on. I was debating whether or not I was going to put it in the footage or not, but I think I am. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I'm free. And look at the entertainment you're getting. It helps my channel grow. It helps the algorithm so more people see my videos, and then it gets more people to see my videos. The more views I get, the more subscribers I get, and the more likely I'll be monetized by YouTube. Give my channel a thumbs up. That also helps me. And take care, and until next time.